You know how Power Query likes to sort things alphabetically, perfect for A to Z and terrible when your workflow has its own logic. First, we need to tell Power Query what logical order actually means. I like to start by generating a list of unique values from the column. In Excel, a quick unique function does the trick. Now copy these values, paste them as plain text, and arrange them using Shift. For example, not started at the top, in progress second, on hold third, and completed last. Think of it like giving Power Query a little roadmap. Next, we convert that list into a proper Excel table, give it a name like status order, and load it into Power Query. Data from table range. Drill down to the column so it becomes a list. This step is key. It allows Power Query to look up positions in a single column instead of joining tables. No need to load it anywhere, just a connection is enough. This table is now our reference, our custom order guide. Load the projects table into Power Query too. Data from table range. At this point we have two queries, the projects themselves and our status order list. Back to our projects table. I'll create a new step and type table sort. The first argument is our source table, or the previous step. Then open the curly braces. Even though we have only one sorting instruction, Power Query expects a list of rules. Inside the braces, type each List.PositionOf, then status order, status. This defines the sorting key for each row. The most important part is our List.PositionOf function. It does the lookup. Status order is our reference list with the custom order. Status in square brackets grabs the value of the status column for the current row, and List.PositionOf returns the index or position of that status in the status order. In the next optional argument, we can decide if we want to have ascending order or descending order. As you see, custom sorting in Power Query doesn't have to be complicated. The workflow is easy. Build your reference list, drill it down to a list in Power Query, and use List.PositionOf inside table sort. It's flexible, intuitive, and keeps your dashboards logical.